Ever wondered how to make a perfect fried fish dish? Today, we're going to transform a humble piece of cod into a crispy golden delight. We'll go through the process step by step, from seasoning to frying. Ready to get started? Let's dive into the recipe. Start by selecting a firm-fleshed fish. Cod, haddock, halibut, or tilapia are excellent choices, capable of holding up well to frying. Once you've made your choice, cut the fish into even-sized pieces. This promotes uniform cooking. Next, pat these pieces dry with paper towels. Removing excess moisture helps the fish to crisp up beautifully. Then it's time to season. Sprinkle on some salt, pepper, and any other spices you fancy to enhance the natural flavor of the fish. Now that your fish is prepared, it's time to make the batter. A good batter is key to a crispy fried fish. It's as simple as whisking together flour, baking powder, salt, and your choice of water or beer. Aim for a consistency that's thick enough to generously coat the fish, but not too runny. For an extra crunch in your bite, consider incorporating cornmeal, cornstarch, or rice flour. This batter isn't just a coating, it's a flavorful blanket that'll transform your fish into golden, crispy perfection. With the batter ready, it's time to heat up the oil. Frying the fish is a crucial step. Begin by heating your choice of oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. The oil should sizzle when a bit of batter is dropped in. Next, dip your seasoned fish pieces in the batter, shaking off any excess, then carefully lower them into the hot oil. Remember, don't overcrowd the pan. Work in batches if required. Fry each side for about 3 to 4 minutes until they're golden and crisp. Once your fish is golden and crisp, it's time to serve it. The final step is to serve your delicious fried fish. Gently transfer the golden, crispy pieces to a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. Then, serve it hot with lemon wedges, tartar sauce, or your choice of dipping sauce. There you have it, a simple and delicious fried fish dish. Give it a try at home.